So in my computer keyboard, I first turn on the number lock key. So now we have enabled the number lock. I can see, and this is the alt key. So must press and hold this alt key. After that, you must type M11154. After tapping 1154, you can release your finger from this alt key. And you can see that this symbol have been added. So this is a Newline Left symbol. So we have created this in your computer. So you must try this after opening the Microsoft Word in your Windows computer. Hope this video helps you. For more videos you can subscribe. Thank you.